Hello guys, there is a new tool, Beam AI, that lets you automate any business process with just a few clicks in just a few minutes by selecting a template and automate any business process without any coding. So you can automate receiving emails, sorting emails, auto-replying to emails, creating invoices, sending invoices, data entry, data processing. So just click a template and set it up in a few minutes, no coding required, and your automation is ready to go. So let's see some examples together. Here we can see a lot of examples and templates that are easy to set up with just a few clicks in a few minutes. Email sorting, responding, financial report analysis, insurance, sales operations, customer service. And there are so many of these templates that you can create with just one click, and you can also create your own agents. So I'm just gonna click this create email agent, and you see that it already has so many of these tools. For example, financial report analysis agent can connect to Slack, Gmail by default, but you can add any other tools as well. So this video is sponsored by Beam AI. I've actually worked here as well, so I know this is good and their product is good. And then resume screening agent, it has all of these tools, like these documents, Gmail, Slack, and more. So I'm gonna create this email agent by clicking create agent. And we see this flow, so this is the entrance, and then there are all of these tasks and nodes that can be selected by the agents and actions. And you can configure all of this or create your own, like by clicking on this plus button, like insert step or add a branch. I'm gonna walk you through this example to show you how easy it is to use this. So in the beginning here we have this detect email relevance node, and we're gonna use this tool, email relevance evaluator. We can create our own tools, by the way. They can be like ChatGPT, like large language model tools, or tools that connect to external API. So there are those two types of tools. The first type is like just prompt for ChatGPT or the LLM, and the other type is connecting to external API like Gmail. This is example of our email relevance evaluator tool. So I'm just gonna show you that there is this field email details that the LLM, large language model, can use and generate and fill. And we can choose the LLM here. This is the prompt. So it's pretty easy to understand for you what everything does here. So that was prompt tool. The second type of tool is external API integration. So I can just connect my Gmail here, and it will open the window. Then I can create these variables. For example, label. This will be relevant or not relevant for every email. So our agent will assign if the email is relevant or not relevant. And so if it's not relevant, we just exit. If it's relevant, then we have some other continuation of the flow. So you can create these branches and conditions. So if it's relevant, we have this tool to determine if it will automatically reply to the email or forward it to somebody else. For example, this tool has a prompt that says if it's marketing email, then forward it to this and this department, or if it's, for example, customer support email, then generate automatic reply. So branches are very easy to create. You just need to describe with words. When email is to be replied to, then choose this path, and when email needs to be forwarded, choose this path, and that's it. You don't need to put any other like complex logic or know how to code or anything. And so this path has this send email tool at the end that's gonna use your Gmail, and this path has reply to email tool. And all of these fields like subject, email address, body are AI fields, so they are filled with the AI. They can also be user field or from memory or linked or static. Like static is always the same, but for this case it's AI automation, so they are all gonna be written and filled by AI. And then agents have analytics as well, and configurations where you can set up triggers, so how the agent is triggered, like maybe new email is received, or even webhook. And then that, for example, new email would get processed with this agent. And it's very easy and intuitive to set up this as well. The tasks here will show you all of the emails, that is tasks that the agent has been processing or is processing. And you can easily add your own tools or create your own agent. So let's check this insurance claim agent. It has Google Sheets and Gmail. And this is, so let me show you this agent. it has these tools. I'm just gonna scroll. It has all of these steps like getting the policy, understanding the policy, analyze incident details, determine claim decision. So if it's rejected, we reply. If it's accepted or approved, we create more communication and reply to email. So it's really simple to create these agents, and they work pretty well, and they can be automated. So that's gonna be it for this video. You can check out Beam AI, link below. Just go to beam.ai and click here, request access. So I've worked here, I've been doing some of these things here as well. I know these people and I know that their product is good. So check the link below and see you in the next video.